Hi, it's Michaela, Jackson, and Nana, and we're here in Alberta doing our very first kids homestead. So welcome to Kae-Jax Homestead. And did you get it? Kae-Jax Homestead? That's right, Jackson and Michaela. Okay, so what we're making today
is homemade bread.
Yeah, it's called Artisan Bread. And Michaela is going to do all the ingredients.
You need 3 cups of flour. It doesn't matter what kind of flour.
That's right.
As long as you have flour. There's one. And you need 3 of these.
Michaela, how long have we been cooking together?
8 years.
8 years, probably. Yeah, about 7, because she's 8. So she was very, very small. She used to get up on her. That's 2.
2.
Okay.
Last one. Oh my gosh, this is hard to get.
Right here.
2 teaspoons of salt.
And where did you get your recipe, Michaela?
Nana's from Darla's cousin.
Yeah. 1.
And you need 2
teaspoons of yeast.
And then 2 teaspoons of yeast.
In the middle. There you go.
And then you make a hole in the middle to put the yeast in.
You have warm water.
1.5 cups of warm water. So, what 2 numbers, Nana? What 2 numbers?
1/2. That's a half. Okay.
Jackson, can you grab this one for me? Thank you. I'm mixing everything together now. I might change into a spoon because everything's getting stuck in the whisk. Or I might even use my hands. Who knows? Alright, I'm going to go wash my hands and use my hands.
I like how you said that part.
I'll be right back. 1 second. My hands are all clean. Now to mix with my hands. This is optional. You can mix with your hands or you can mix with a spoon or something. But I like mixing with my hands. Nana?
Yeah.
Why is this getting stuck? Why isn't it mixing all together?
Oh, you're doing so good. You just keep rolling it. I can add a little tiny bit of water if you'd like me to.
Yes, please. All right, we're just gonna add a little more water because nothing's sticking very good. So,
There you go.
there, we just added a little bit of water. And now it's sticking way a lot now. So, we're just gonna keep mixing. And now it's getting all over my hands. But that's okay. I can wipe it off on a paper towel.
Okay, I think we can cover it now and let it set for how long, Michaela?
We will let it set for 2 to 3 hours. Covered up in a piece of cloth.
Yeah. All right.
Welcome back. Our homemade bread is almost done. It's been raising for 2 hours now, and now we are going to get it ready to put in the oven. This is what it looks like. And we might add a little flour and spread it out.
You can do the rest
It's
of it.
it's so airy.
So what you're going to do, I'll show you. You're just going to pull it 6 times. So we're going to put it like this. I'll show you. This. Look. Take this side. Go 1, 2,
3.
and then just keep going it around for a little bit.
6. I did it 6
Yep,
times.
keep going a little bit longer.
Still? Until it looks like that?
So you need a sharp knife. And you're gonna sear forward. Careful, careful. Take your knife and make a slice right in the middle. Go this way. Nope, the other way. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, here you go. And just pull it across. There. That's called scoring. And I'm just going to take this down. There's Michaela's masterpiece. Okay, I'm going to show it in the pot for you.
30-minute cover.
And then what?